Hey guys, so here's one of my go-to hairstyles for here in Korea. I start off with stretched hair, and first I just part a section along the side and I add my styler, which I use Entwine Couture's Cream Jelly Styler. So I just put a bit of that on my edges and then I brush it in. Next, I use the Entwine Couture Cream de la Mode. This one's a bit harder, so I usually just scrape it off with my fingernail and then add it onto my edges. Then I brush that in too. Then once I'm done applying the product, I flat twist my hair to the side. Once I get to the end closest to my ear, I don't go all the way down. I just make sure it's flat and then I pin it down. And then move on to the other side. So for the other side, I add the same hair products and brush them in too. After, instead of twisting it, I just roll it up once and then I bobby pin that down. So once that is done, I take my stocking, which I prefer to use a stocking over anything else because it's soft and stretchy, and I just pull my hair up into a ponytail. And I make sure to tie it twice so that the string is kind of hidden once I put it in a bun. So this is what my hair looks like in the puff for a ponytail. And I split my hair off into pretty much 3 sections and I just do a chunky twist. After I twist it, I pin it over to the side and then I do the same thing, but I skip the middle for now and I do the twist on the other side. So then I pin that twist over the opposite direction, and then for the one in the middle, I twist it and then I pin it the same direction as the last twist I did, like so. So once I'm done with that, I look for any gaps and then I just take the 2 twists and then I pin a part of it together just to hide it and make it look like one full bun. So next I do my edges, so I use castor oil, gel, and water. So I first add some water to my edges, then I add a little bit of castor oil and I just rub that in. Then after I just add a bit of gel and put that on my edges. So next I just brush it in and do whatever little squiggle or designs or whatever, and then I just tie on my scarf. So for this video I just left my scarf in for probably about an hour, but sometimes I just leave it in overnight and it'll still be fine. So here is what my hair looks like all finished. So I usually leave this hairstyle in for about a week. It's very easy, low maintenance, and a very good protective style. And it's a very high bun, so if you work at an elementary school with a lot of curious little children about your hair, it is out of reach for their little fingers. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next video. Bye.